What's up YouTube, it's Sofan from TechCycle. In this video, I'm going to introduce you guys an Android application which will hide your navigation bar and give you gestures which is same as that of iPhone 10, and the best thing is that it doesn't require root. About this application name is Navigation Gestures and it's from XDA developers. This works on rooted device and non-rooted device. If you got a rooted device, the procedure will be easy, but if you got a non-rooted device, the procedure is little bit difficult, but you can follow the guide from XDA developers, which I will leave the link in the description. You can follow that video. It is very much accurate than I'm explaining to you guys. So just watch the video and install this navigation gestures if you got the non-rooted device. So make sure that you install all the drivers, and if you got hardware navigation buttons, the procedure is going to be a little bit difficult because I have seen some comments saying that it doesn't work, it is giving error, and the only fix for that is from the comment section. I found out that you need to disable the hardware navigation bar which require root. So there is that. This application will remove the navigation button and will give you a pill which is going to be overlaying on your display, and so you can enjoy the full screen of your full display of your device. So you can enjoy the full display. So there will be a little bit pill at the bottom of this device that is going to be your this gesture control. So there is so many options to control these gestures, like swipe up to home, single press to home, long press to get the assistant, and a lot of options which can be customized in this application. There is premium version of this application, but I didn't buy the premium application, but it is working fine for me. The free version is working fine for me. So there is no require for this paid version or the premium version. Some of the thing I like about this navigation gestures is that I'm getting little bit more screen on my device. That is the first one, and the second one is that while using keyboard, this navigation gestures is above my keyboard, so it is giving me some easy control on the navigation while using this keyboard. So this is the second thing for me, and I'm getting iPhone 10 like feature on my Android device without OEM doing it for me. So is the other thing. The thing I dislike about this navigation gestures is that while using games like Knife Eat, this navigation gesture get vanished, and to make it reappear, I need to head over to settings from the notification bar. Then only I can just use this navigation bar, or I will be stuck at the game. And the other thing is that on using MX Player, this navigation gesture is not hiding. So that is the other thing. And the third thing is that while I add this pill, that is, there is an option in this application to add the pill, I cannot re-enable the pill, and it is a little bit hassle for me. And the best thing about this navigation gesture is that after enabling this navigation gesture, still I can go to the mini view option on my LG device, so there is no issue on that. So that's all about this video, guys. To install this navigation gesture, just follow the guide on the XDA channel, which I will leave in the description. You can just follow their guide, which is very easy. Just make sure you are following it correctly. So, and if you're finding any issue, just comment down below. If I can, I will try to help you as soon as I can. So that's all about this video, guys. If you think this video sucks, hit that button. If you think this video is awesome, hit the like button and stick with us, so you might find some content interesting.